Today I'm planning to read these sentences that has about in each of this sentence has this word about. First one, how do you feel about the issue? How do you feel about the issue? I am thinking about my children. I am thinking about my children. Next one, I am thinking about that matter. I am thinking about that matter. Next one, I said nothing about the matter. I said nothing about the matter. It's about time to go to school. It's about time to go to school. She argued with him about money. She argued with him about money. Next one. Tom doesn't know much about art. Tom doesn't know much about art. About how many books do you have? About how many books do you have? He is uncertain about his future. He is uncertain about his future. How about making me a cup of tea? How about making me a cup of tea? I will ask him about it tomorrow. I will ask him about it tomorrow. I am about to tell you the answer. I am about to tell you the answer. She advised him about what to do. She advised him about what to do. She is about the same age as I am. She is about the same age as I am. Don't worry about what others say. Don't worry about what others say. How did you get to know about her? How did you get to know about her? My mother is strict about manners. My mother is strict about manners. She spoke to him about the matter. She spoke to him about the matter. What do you think about this plan? What do you think about this plan? He is about the same age as you are. He is about the same age as you are. Tell me what you are arguing about. Tell me what you are arguing about. She thinks about him all the time. She thinks about him all the time. She doesn't want to talk about it. She doesn't want to talk about it. I read about him in the newspaper. I read about him in the newspaper. I arrived here about 5 o'clock. I arrived here about 5 o'clock. I hope you understand this word about how they have used in all this sentence. So once we go through this again, so we get to know better about this word about. Thank you. Bye for now.